we've upped our game. It's the culmination of years of hard work and planning. And now, we're taking our commitment to our customers to the next level. And on the road, it's game on. We're taking the industry by storm with a larger-than-life traveling product showcase. One that has never been seen before. It's all about our customers. It's all for our customers. The Game On Tour is about creating connections. This unique roadshow experience is coming to a city near you, featuring rooftop products with hands-on access in new ways. It'll drive engagements and opportunities to create memorable experiences that deliver lasting customer relationships. Our product mix and expertise transform building environments. Visitors to the Game On experience will see our comprehensive and expanded rooftop HVAC portfolio, participate in interactive and augmented reality experiences, and meet our full-size rooftop units on display. The takeaway? We deliver innovative solutions and drive outcomes that matter. So it's game on. We're changing the rules and the way customers think about our products. We are at the top of our game, so you can be at the top of yours.